Hello, hi again. It's ApriLynn, and today we're gonna be cooking. We are gonna be making tacos and salsa. We're not making chips because I don't want to. First, we are going to marinate the chicken. We're putting oil over the chicken. Now we are gonna add chipotle. We're gonna put this whole can in there. I'm not gonna like chop up the peppers though because I'm gonna take them out before I cook the chicken. We're gonna do a little bit. I gotta make sure I have enough of this. So first I'm gonna squeeze a tablespoon for my salsa so I know I have enough. You can use fresh. I don't use it enough to keep fresh limes, so squeeze some in. Should I measure? That's probably like a half a tablespoon. And seasonings. We are using cilantro. I got this because I'm lazy, so we'll see how this tastes real quick. Also, I'm making salsa, so if it tastes good, I'm gonna use that. You can use fresh, that's what I normally use, but I hate cutting it, taking it off the stem. It's so annoying. 1 tablespoon of paste to replicate 1 tablespoon of fresh cilantro. Let's see how this tastes. Put a little bit on a chip. I'll put this in with my marinade, but I think I'm gonna use the real for the salsa. The fresh. So I just did a tablespoon. I have 4 chicken thighs in my bowl that we're marinating. Okay, and then we're doing chili powder, cumin, and paprika. Oh, I'm also gonna do garlic. 1 teaspoon. I'll just show you. If you don't like it, from me. Well, you can't really see it, but if you don't like it, don't look. Oh, you can't even see. Move. Here is the concoction. I'm gonna stir it up a bit and let the chicken marinate. Get married to the flavor. We're gonna let that sit. Now we're gonna make salsa. So Jacob just bought me this beautiful blender. So we're gonna put the stuff inside of it to make the salsa of your life. First up, 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes. Obviously, you could do fresh for all these ingredients, but this is the quick way. And we're gonna drain some of the juices out because we don't want it soupy soup. Plop into the blender 2 cans of rotel, or this is the off-brand, Aldi brand, diced tomatoes with green chilies. If you just want to buy chilies, do 2 cans of the diced tomatoes and 1 4-ounce can of the chilies. Also, the roasted tomatoes taste really good too. I've tried both. They both taste good. Do as you will if you make this. We're gonna drain or strain the second can because it's looking a little liquidy. And 1 jalapeno, or if you want it more spicier, more seeded. Not seeded. Is that the right word? Seeded, de-seeded, unseeded. Extract the seeds. Whoa, this jalapeno has lots of guts. If you want it less spicy, make sure you remove the veins. They got some spores. We're gonna remove the veins because I literally cannot handle spice or I will die. Not really, but my stomach will not be happy. Add jalapeno. This is half. I have another half. A little whiny buddy boo. Why you little whiny buddy boo? Oh, jalapeno juice. Spicy. Oh, I need goggles for this. I'm gonna get jalapeno juice in my eye. A white onion. Half of a white onion. Or a whole small onion. And then I'm gonna save this for the tacos. This is strong smelling. We have cilantro left, cumin, garlic, pepper, and salt and sugar. Oh, I put 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I already did that. 2 garlic cloves, handful of cilantro, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. I'll do a few more. Call it good. And then we gotta blend. Get off me. This meal is my favorite meal at the moment. I'm obsessed with tacos. Who isn't, honestly? If you don't like tacos, you must not have had the ones that are made right. I could probably eat tacos every single day with no regrets. What do you like on your taco? I like sour cream, a little bit of salsa, cilantro, onions, tomatoes, meat, obviously, cabbage, and a special sauce that we are going to make. Like when a recipe says a handful, whose handful are we measuring with? Because some people's hands are way bigger. Oh, this is my first time using this blender, so let's see. It's so quiet. Whoa. It's magic. I think I've never used a blender before. Okay, let's test this salsa. Even though I've had it multiple times. A pitcher of salsa. Oh, that's a perfect consistency. If you like it more, or not chunky. Focus. Okay. Good. Eyes are a little burny from the onions and jalapenos. Salsa, 10 out of 10. Dude, I can't stop, won't stop. Before I go and come back in a little bit to make the tacos, I wanted to show you my pickle thing I got from my grandma, who I call Mimi. Garage sale. Ooh, let's put. I'll see if I have any pickles. I should. We're gonna put pickles in it. This jar is almost empty, but whatever. You pour pickles. I'm scared. Okay. Then when you want to pickle and you don't want to get a fork or something, You just pull this up. And juiceless. Well, they're juicy, but back into the juice. Huzzah! Yeah! This is the best thing I've ever seen in my life. Maybe just do one jar. Pickle jar complete. I put a little bit too many pickles, but is that ever a thing? Pickle and even the top is green like a pickle. Okay, I'm gonna let this chicken marinate and I'll be back to make the tacos. Let's make this salsa. So we need 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, which I put in here because it was the last bit. I had scrippy. I just got mayonnaise on my hand. Ketchup, we are using no sugar added ketchup. You can use sugar added if you want. I just don't want to. 1 tablespoon of ketchup on a tablespoon thing that's covered in mayonnaise. Next is this. Clearly, I've used a lot. What is this called? Ground fresh chili paste. But I'm almost empty. I'm not gonna use this whole thing though. It's too fast. You want some ground, like half a tablespoon of this. Or if you like spicy, do a whole. I make a separate one for me and Jacob. One for me, one for Jacob. His, I do a whole tablespoon. Mine, I only do half. He likes extra spice. I would die a spicy death if I did that. Next is maple syrup. This is sugar-free maple flavored. You can just use regular. Obviously, I'm using sugar-free stuff. So that's the sauce. Now we're just waiting for the chicken to finish cooking. Then we're gonna heat up our shells. We are doing corn because those are the best. And then we're gonna eat. Okay, bye. I said bye. It's showtime, baby. Time to warm up those shells. Get yourself a paint. A pan. Butter. Corn. And rub it on the pan. Get it all nice and buttery so that the butter gets on the tortilla. Oh, I forgot to open my shells. Whatever shall I do? That black door right there is kind of creepy. Black abyss. What is this apostrophe? What? That's not the right word. Whatever the word is. Smooth them around. Warm them up a bit. That's what you do. Okay, I probably shouldn't be recording. I'm a little weird at the moment. I just use my fingers because I'm a psycho. Now I have to wash my hands so we can assemble a taco and eat it. Double taco shell. Sour cream goes on first. Obviously, you don't have to do it this way. This is just the way I do it. Because I'm a taco connoisseur. You take some sour cream, wipe it on the shell. Then this taco, I forgot to say, I'm gonna put some avocado. Yes, it's a single serving. I told you already. Simple, easy, fastness. More like guacamole. Looks like this. A little bit of the special sauce. Put some cabbage on it. I like more vegetables than meat. If you watch any of my other cooking videos, you'd know. Now the meat. You're interrupting my video! How dare you! Gasp! Gasp, really gasp! That's what I said! Gaspidly gasp! They all look like. This is what the taco should look like, or however you want it. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of salsa on here so I can take a cute picture, and then we're gonna try it. Hey! No eating the chicken!
How does the blender work?
Perfect. Look at that salsa consistency. I'll get Jacob's taste test of the salsa. Hey, taste that. Oh, I have to feed you?
Huh? Very good. Mint. Perfect.
Mint condition. Here's our dinner. Obviously, I'm gonna eat more than one taco. Now let's taste test this taco. Cheers. Yep. And that's the dinner. I'm gonna go eat this, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Bye. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, it's not Tuesday. It's Taco Monday, I guess. And this is not going to come out on Tuesday or Monday. Bye.
Time for a love potion.